Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could use Meta AI on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply open up your Facebook application. Once you are on the Facebook, what you have to do is to simply head towards like this search bar icon at the top right corner of the screen, and there you will get the option of ask Meta AI. So basically this is the AI. You can search for any of the thing over here. You can ask anything to Meta, like you can add process reels and it will show you like all of the reels. So this is AI. You can tap on text and you can message her anything. I'm sending her hi, and you can talk to her like every time and you can ask anything. So basically this is the AI of Facebook. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.